cord for sure, and it's possible it's caused other damage. So the fan's bumping up against the back of the dryer, and that could be just because it was dropped, or in this case it's because it's broken. So lots of issues. We'll put a new cord on, we'll put a new motor in. This is a very damaged machine. So lots of evidence here, lots of DNA. But very little buildup on the actual shaft. Just a little bit. But this motor is going to go. So it's got a broken arm. So this is a box of assorted candies. Woo! Look at those. Different motors for different machines. But that's a match there. They're pretty easy to work on. I don't know of any other dryer that is just plug and play like this. Most of them you have to get out the soldering iron. Everything is so tight that it's really hard to work. Not even worth it, actually. And then we'll replace the cord. Take this cord stay out, and the circuit board pops up. That comes out. We save that. This we get rid of. Brand new cord. Don't forget to put the cord stay on first, or the cord, whatever this thing is called, cord collar. Doesn't matter which one goes into which. Screw it down. That. Make sure the cords are all tucked in. Can't forget our fan. Good. Cool. That back in, didn't I? There we go. Cord.